AllCoastLawncare.
All right, I just got back. I don't know if you could tell, but I'm like wet. You know, got rained on, y'all. Look at this, man. Got this wet grass. Hey, that didn't stop me. The customer needs their lawn care serviced. And hey, they needed me, so I had to do what I had to do, y'all. They're paying me, so I'm gonna go out there and I'm gonna service their lawn. Rain or shine. All right, now the lightning, that's a different story. I heard thunder, you know what I mean? But I still kept on going. The lightning, yeah, I'm gonna jump off the mower and get in my truck. But yeah, y'all, rained on me. Ain't the first time it rained. All right, ain't the first time I got wet. You know what I mean? Hey, don't let the rain scare you. Just slide off your body. But hey, what do you do? Do you stop when it rains? Okay, now common sense, y'all. If it's like pouring out there, yeah. But this is like my like second to last lawn. So I got it done. It stopped raining. Then I went to go do another one. It started pouring on me again. So now I know tomorrow I ain't gonna mow tomorrow. The grass is too wet to mow tomorrow. But hey, what do you do? If you're in the middle of a yard, do you stop and put the trailer up and take off, or do you finish? Hey, leave a comment. Hey, always stay hydrated, even when it's raining. At all times, God bless, and see you on the next video. Bye.